So, hey guys, pretend you don't see my terrible hair. But today we are making a video. Oh, I gotta brush my teeth. We're making a video of pranking the dogs, pretty much. So, yeah.
We are playing it off of my phone, and Libby bought this for her birthday because she got a whole bunch of money. It is this thing.
She had $50 for it from Grandpa.
Yeah. So you plug in your thing. You can sing with the song. You plug in your phone or something. You play a song or something, and it'll shoot out like a speaker, and it's awesome.
Yeah.
Like.
So, I'll see if you can see the dogs. I put that there so they can't. Okay. I'll try to get out there. Turn your volume up. Sorry. They're messing around with each other. Dogs! Come on!
Oh, fun!
Come on! You don't know I'm here.
That was a freaking pit bull! It was freaking barking like a pit bull, man! This is gonna go after me!
Hey! 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 Don't you get rascally now.
I'm gonna turn it back down.
Do it.
It's a pit bull, people.
It won't let me zoom out. Okay. Huh. Whoa!
Oh, fans.
Oh my god. Alright guys, well, hey! Hey! Hey, you feisties! Ow, my butt!
Ow.
Hey! Sorry, Moons, does Mincy. Alright. They're not really falling apart. Look at Dorothy. Alright guys, well, that's gonna be the end of our video.
Bye!
Toodaloo, bros.